Like if we got like a little duet going, it might work a little good. You guys like that? All right, guys, in unison. 3, 2, 1. Look at you. Damn. All right. All right, that was. So take that, Laurel. Take that. All right, man. 3, 2, 1. That was good. 3, 2, 1. He was ready to push, man. He had you. He had you. All right, let's hear it. 1, 2, 3. Keeping count here, and as you guys know, we have a knockout trophy, and I think it's 1, 2, 3, let's go! Let's do it again. So there. Our wheels that way for me. Thank you.
Just a little bit. Just a little bouncy.
We're good to go. Let's do it. Face-Off, but we can be nice to the domestics, all right, guys? Hit that throttle. Not bad, not bad, not bad. It's all right. It's all right.
This is about
So.
You do get a trophy for
All
knocking
right.
out 5 though. Congrats.
There you go.
One more. Shit.
1, 2, 3. All right, let's hear it. 1, 2, 3.
It was
Let's hear it. 1, 2, 3. Guys, Lord. Ready? 3, 2, 1,
go!
Good Lord. That's one more time.
Yeah, we like that shit right there.
All right, GTR, let's hear it. 3, 2, 1.
I feel like a little kid at a candy shop when I hear this one.
2 cars at the same time. All right, guys, I want to hear from both of you. 3, 2, 1. Get ready to yell. We're going to start with the Civic. What? I didn't know. Just all right. What about the GTR?
That was close. Everybody needs to vote. Everybody needs to vote. We don't want to hear it in the comments on YouTube later, so everybody needs to vote.
All right, you guys ready? Civic. GTR. Man, it was so close. Civic, you got a trophy. GTR, you're walking away with the trophy too. We've got our 2-step champion right here.
Hello, Car Limbo.